Oh, hi.
We're taking the seats out to fix up some major rust.
What? Rust? Yeah. No.
Let's have a look at this so-called seat.
Oh, it's beautiful. Breathe it in.
Oh. The seat itself, as far as I'm concerned, has served its duty. One bolt, there's always one. Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Let's do this together.
Yeah. I'd probably bin it.
I'm going to be working on the side. Yeah?
Yeah.
See, this is how we're going to beat this car.
That's right.
Just
pure ingenuity.
That's how we're going to beat this bucket of rusty bolts. Hey guys,
alright.
In this episode we're going to be restoring ceiling from XFU. Not. Maybe shoot from that side all the rust a bit. Rats have made a nest in their rust hole. And I think it's been rusting because the water must have been running in from somewhere. And you can see this all rusted out, and the other side is all rusted. Rust is a word we're going to be using a lot on this project. But the good news, the other side is perfect. It's the 10. Oh, let's start cutting. Just trim a little bit off. I'll try and make it fit like a bit better. Alright mate, what's going on?
Seems like we're trying to repair your roof here.
We are.
Slightly holy.
Yeah. And what did we... Yeah, we discovered that it's actually being... the roof has been replaced at some stage. And that will explain why all this and under there was all rusted out. So, we fabricated a new section.
Yep.
We have made a patch panel on the outside.
It's quite strong.
Yeah.
Very, very strong.
Strong as, and we backed that up. Might have to shoot from the other side. So this stuff has fiberglass and metal fibers?
Steel fibers, apparently.
Wow. Go on. Oh, that's going on nice. Sticky, right?
Very sticky. Okay.
So just to recap today, we fixed the rusty, basically door panel here, I don't know what you call it. Now we applied some fiberglass bog to bog up the top and the bottom, and also we started to bog up the fender repair that we've done, also with fiberglass. And this back section there, and all that will get sanded and go over with normal bog and then painted.
Done for now, hey?
Done for today.
Alright. Awesome. See you later.
Thanks for watching.